Hello guys, welcome back to the course. In this video we are going to extract coordinates from map. Let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to install ipyleaflet. So let's copy this and let's compile the code. Next, you will also need to install ipywidget. So let's copy this and let's compile the code. As you guys can see, we have successfully installed these two Python packages. Next, we are going to import label widget from ipywidget. Next, we are going to import map and marker classes from ipyleaflet. Next, we are going to create a map centered at latitude 0 and longitude 0 with a zoom level of 2. I'm going to create a new variable. I'm going to name it M. You can name it whatever you want, guys. It is totally up to you. We are going to set the center to 0, 0. And we are going to set the zoom to 2. Next, we are going to create a label widget to display information. So let's create another variable. I'm going to name it label. You can name it whatever you want, guys. And let's initialize the label. After that, we are going to display the label in the map. Let's copy and paste this and put it inside the parentheses. Next, we are going to create the functions to handle map interactions. I'm going to name the functions handle interactions. You can name it whatever you want, guys. These functions is going to have one parameter, and that's quarks. Inside the functions, we are going to check if the interaction type is a click. So let's create a conditional statement. If quarks dot get type is equals to click, so if that's the case, then we are going to get the latitude and longitude of that click. So let's create two variables, lat and long. Quarks.get. So in this case, we want to get the coordinates. Next, we are going to update the label with the click coordinates. In this case, we are going to store the value in the label variable. So let's copy and paste that. We are going to add dot value. And we are going to print something like this. Click on. Then we are going to display the latitude and also the longitude. Next, we are going to create a marker at the clicked location. So let's create a new variable. I'm going to name it marker. You can name it whatever you want, guys. It is totally up to you. In this case, we are using marker that has been imported previously. Next, we are going to specify the locations. So inside this parentheses, we are going to have the latitude and also the longitude. So let's copy and paste these two variables and put them inside the parentheses. Next, we are going to add the marker to the map. m.addLayer. We are going to put marker inside the parentheses. Okay guys, we are done with these functions. Next, we are going to bind the handle interaction functions to the map. If you remember, we've already created the map, so let's copy and paste this variable m. We are going to add on interactions. And let's put the function's name, handle interactions, inside the parentheses. And lastly, don't forget to display the map. And let's compile the code. Okay, so here is the interactive map, guys. So wherever you click on this map, it will display the coordinate. For example, I'm going to click here. As you guys can see, this is the coordinates. So here is the latitude and here is the longitude. Let's try one more time. I'm going to click here. As you guys can see, here is the new coordinate. Here is the latitude and here is the longitude. Very cool. I think that's it. That's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.